Hi there, I'm here to talk to you about 3 ways to improve data visibility within your family office by using Sage Intacct. One of the big challenges that family offices face is finding a good software platform that combines both investment reporting and good family office accounting. With Sage Intacct, we solve both those needs in one system. So let's talk about point number 1 on how to solve data visibility. And that is to have data quality as the first priority. So how do you achieve data quality? You need to have data that is, number 1, accurate, number 2, well structured, and number 3 is timely. So the second point is that you want to have metrics that matter to a family office. And here's some views of how we provide metrics to you that matter. So here we're taking a look at a role-based dashboard that's specifically designed for the needs of a family office. On this dashboard you'll see reporting on stocks, hedge funds, bonds, private equity, other investments, and assets under management. These are all scorecard-based components that you can drill into. So let's take a look at a closer view. And what you'll see is there's indicators on the direction for each of these assets, and we'll show you how you can drill into the assets under management view for the underlying detail. Now we've drilled down into the assets under management scorecard, where you can see the breakdown of assets by account as well as time period. And from here you can drill down even further to the source detailed transactions. So another way to improve visibility within your family office is to have real-time access to critical financial reports available to key stakeholders throughout the organization. With Sage Intacct, you have access to a browser-based financial report that's updated real time. Here's a view of what that financial report looks like, and you can actually drill into any of these details to find the underlying data. So here's an example of a financial report that's been drilled into, and it's one that provides conditional formatting for the status of changes in, as you can see, investments, so stocks and bonds, private equity. This also provides customizable date ranges, so really giving everybody great visibility into underlying detail of reporting. So to learn more, please join us on Thursdays at 10 a.m. Pacific to join an interactive Sage Intacct product tour that will focus on data visibility.